Don't forget to buy your 50/50. We're on the second round, and it's red tickets. If you still own the orange tickets, they are no good. So grab that money hand, dig deep in those pockets, $5 for 10 tickets. And if you're walking about at the Vail Center, that craft over there.
It'd probably be easier to go
Over here, Kevin Ryan's are still selling their tickets for this beautiful GTO. So, dig deep in those pockets. Let's make it another $1,000 winner.
I'm getting about there, right? Yeah, it's almost getting to lunchtime too. I figure I make enough room so this gentleman can walk all the way around. There you go.
Thank you. Which year is this one?
This is 1922.
Wow.
I come out of Dunville, so it took about an hour to drive here.
And how many liters of gas?
It holds 10 gallons, and it gets about 160 kilometers to a tank.
Wow.
Right, so it does okay for itself. It doesn't go very fast though.
Yeah.
50 kilometers an hour is pushing it.
Is it wood?
Pardon me?
Is it wood on the
spokes
tree? Yeah.
is all wood. Yep.
Wow.
The floorboards, we actually have the floorboards are wood as well. If you pull that all up,
Oh, that's
you have
wood.
wood, right?
Wow.
Yep.
Can you replace any part if you break?
Fairly easy. Fairly easy. Yeah, fairly readily available. They made 15 million total, so there's still quite a few parts floating around. So that the spokes are made out of hickory.
Yeah.
The back bed is made out of oak. But that was, of course, afterwards. But everything else seems to be about original.
And it's a Ford.
And it's definitely a Ford Model C, right?
Wow. Really good, look good.
Revolutionized the modern era of driving.
Yeah. How do you start? Do you have a key? Or is it...
There is a key. I do have a starter. So that button there is an electric starter.
Okay.
So 1919 it was optional. By 2020 or 1923 it was mandatory basically. But it does have the hand crank.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So it does. You can crank it by hand and get it to fire up. It's easier to do it by electric.
Yeah.
The VIN code on it is 0666 on the 71 Demon. Have a look.
Really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Today, brother. You want to know what this is?
It's a Dodge.
It's a Dodge Demon. If you look here, this is the 0666 car, the most Satan car on the planet. And it is.
That's why you have it as a Demon.
Yeah, the 71 Demon being the 0666. One guy said it was never built, and I said, "How you do that when it's in front of your face?" So nice try, buddy.
So that's original plates. It's original one.
Yeah. So if you look at the last four digits, the very first Demon ever with that code. No shit. And it's a 71 Dodge Demon. They only made them in 2 years because the Christians down in the States hate it so much they were going to ban Dodge. So they had to get rid of Demon, and then they went to a Twister Desert. Same thing, but just a little different.
Yeah, they changed the name.
Yeah, that's all they did because they didn't want to have them. Have a look at the VIN, brother. Yeah. Right there, have a look. You gotta see it.
Let's see these guys around here.
Are you not warm?
No, I'm used to it.
Really?
Yeah. I spent the whole day like this.
Yeah.
Originally,
Yeah.
I'm from Cameroon originally, but I moved to Canada a long time ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
I just find so I love that some people wearing a hoodie and
Oh.
winter coat. I'm like, oh, God, I'd be soaked. No way.
I'd say over the time you get used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good collection.
Yeah. He has people who does shirts and stuff, so he gets all the shirts.
Oh.
He's got someone does signs for him and everything.
That looks so good.
Pretty good turnout.
Yeah. It's a nice day.
Yeah, it's just raining more, so it's really
Yeah.
My mom was born 1920.
That's before the first war.
Yeah, my dad was 1915, so I was 2022.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks. Thanks.
See what this is? Demon. And the VR, have a look at the VIA code. It's a 79 Demon. The VIA code is
Fun, though. Yeah.
so we don't have some people like they like it, like, you know, make it look kind of like it's like a con. Yeah, oh, look new. Oh, look new. That's amazing. Everything that I started at the very first week. Oh, Jimmy, I burn yourself. It's hot. So that's what we want to do. Yeah. So we definitely want to change the interior. Get a lighter color.
Hi.
Yes. Yeah. But everything else is original. It's only got 6 colors.
Yeah, that's right.
So it tries with the 2 cold and the hard lever.
Yeah, it's too cute.
So it's 3/4 rebuilt.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
So that is,
I think it's number 1.
Probably.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
number 1.
Yeah.
a lot of people like the cactus more than the
I like the cactus too.
How about the little hula girl?
We don't have that part of it.
I like this. Patty. Give me a cactus. I love it. That is great. You guys got it. Where'd you park the plane?
No.
Oh, Jimmy, it's hard.
At the entrance.
At the entrance? Okay, I was going to say, yeah, good for you.
Yeah.
Do you work for you work for them or something?
Yeah, I work for Air Canada. Yeah.
Playing, right? Come on in.
I decided to come here before flying.
Do you? Yeah. Where do you fly out of though?
I'm going to New York.
From Toronto though? Oh, so you do. That's a bit of a drive. You're heading down the road.
Yeah. But I live in St. Catherine.
Oh, that makes sense. Good.
Lots of nice cars here, eh?
Yeah. It's crazy. I wasn't expecting that much.
Yeah, no, it's a good turnout.
It's a big show.
Do you have a car? Or
Yeah.
what do you have?
Mercedes. Yeah. GL 250.
Oh, what year? Like 80s or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Nothing compared to.
Oh, there's all sorts of cars here. Yeah.
What's that, 50?
That's 1950.
There's only, what, 22,000 of them?
Yeah, there's not many.
The convertible, like that.
Not many. How many survived, right?
Yeah.
Not many.
They keep it very well.
Yeah, and it runs really well, too. Yeah,
They gotta love stuff like that. Right?
that's my brother's car, him, right here.
Okay. Which year? Which year?
73.
70.